So we don't trade Mondays usually because it's full of traps, so is Fridays. But today this trade is high probable and I will explain the reasons right now. I know you guys love your trend line, so let's just draw this trend line over here. Very simple stuff. So what we can see, the trend line was broken, but I don't really care about trend lines, they're not important to me. What's important to me is the market structure. So we had a resistance here, so price came, rejected, and then it broke above it. So we create a new higher high, and this is becoming a new higher low. And another thing to point out, we broke above the trend line. So it used to be very bearish. Now I think market's going to go in bullish mode. And the other thing you need to pay attention to is we made a structural high, came down back to retest the support, and we got a bullish engulfing on the daily candle. That's a very reliable signal. If we go to the 1 hour, what we can see is here we had structural level where price was just ranging within the zone, which is no coincidence. And then after that, let me just see, we broke above this by creating a new high point, came back down here, did a retest around here. It did drop a bit lower, which is fine, and we took a buy because here we have these two candles engulf this candle, so this is a bullish engulfing, and that's pretty much it. And we use the ATO. If you go here, the ATO is showing 71. So if we go from here and put 7 pips, something like that. So yeah, this is where our stop loss is, just below these lows. So price shouldn't go down here, but yeah, let's see what's gonna happen. And it's a very high probable trade. We broke the trend line, 1. We created a bullish engulfing on the daily within the zone, 2. We made a structural high, came back down, did a retest, 3. 1 hour we broke structure, 4. And 5, we made a bullish engulfing on the 1 hour time frame. So technically it's really good, and we're going to be aiming for around this zone, and our first TP is around here in case price decides to hit there and then come down. So we need to secure some TP. So at TP1, make sure you move your stop loss to break even, which is your entry point, and take some profits as well. So yeah, looks very good, daily, 1 hour, everything, and we let the market do its thing.